welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make a breakfast recipe which is not only very healthy but very delicious, and it is the Jowar Dosa or the Sorghum Dosa recipe. So without any further delay, let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making this delicious Jowar Dosa recipe. And guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so that you are first to know every time I upload a new recipe, and it's free, so why wait? And now let's proceed. Okay guys, so for this recipe you're going to need 1 cup of sorghum flour, which is also called as Jawar Ka Atta or Jwariche Atta, half cup of rice flour, which is Chawal Ka Atta, 1 small onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of cilantro, which is dhania, 1 green chili, which again I have chopped it up, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, which is jeera, some salt and oil, and about 2.5 cups of water. And that is about it. So now let's begin our process. In a large mixing bowl, let's add the sorghum flour or the Jawar Ka Atta or Jwariche Atta and the rice flour or Chawal Ka Atta, along with the salt and jeera, which is cumin seeds, and some sliced green chilies, followed by some cilantro, which is dhania. And now let's add 1.5 cups of water and let's mix everything in. Once mixed in, let's add the rest of 1 cup of water and mix. The batter should be very watery, very much like the rava dosa batter. And now let's keep it aside for half an hour. After half an hour, let's add the onions and give it a good stir. And then keep it aside. And now on a dosa tawa or a griddle, add a little oil. And using a brush, spread it so it evenly coats all of the surface of the tawa, and make sure that the flame is on low. And now using a slightly wet cloth, I'm going to wipe off the excess oil. And now let's pour the batter from the top, making sure that you maintain a good distance so you get the holes or nets just like rava dosa. And then just fill up the big holes by adding more batter in the big gaps, like how I'm doing. And guys, just like any other dosa, let's add a little bit of oil to the outside rim of the dosa. And now let's wait and cook till we start seeing the dosa color change from white to golden brown, which will be visible mostly on the edges. And now guys, let's grab a nice sharp spatula and gently start removing from the edges first. And guys, I am going to flip this dosa just to show you how beautiful it is on the other side, but you don't really need to cook it from the other side. And here we go, moment of truth. Amazing! Hasn't our dosa come out really good? So let's remove it in a plate and serve it with some coconut coriander chutney, for which I already have the recipe online as well as on my website. So do check it out. Also guys, do write to me, let me know what you think about this recipe, and if you like this recipe, do click on the subscribe button. That is one way you can support me. And guys, if you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So do click on these links and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.